Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with students, teachers and parents during the 6th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha program. Meghalaya BJP retracts from its earlier statement of a likely pullout from the NPP-led MDA coalition. Meghalaya BJP to announce its candidate list by February 2nd. List is ready to be sent to Delhi for approval. And Prime Minister Modi to address election rally in Meghalaya, scheduled to visit the state after February 10th. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today interacted with students, parents and teachers during the 6th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha program at Talkatora Stadium in New Delhi. During the interaction, the Prime Minister told the students that they must link their determination and own strength with the expectations of their parents. He told students that focus is necessary to tackle the expectations. Giving advice to their parents, the Prime Minister urged them to encourage their children to observe and learn about things that are happening around them.
जीवन किसी एक स्टेशन पर रुकता नहीं है जी। अगर एक स्टेशन छूट गया तो दूसरी ट्रेन आएगी, दूसरे बड़े स्टेशन पे ले जाएगी। अब चिंता मत कीजिए। एग्जाम वो एंड ऑफ द लाइफ नहीं होता है जी। ठीक है, हमारी अपनी कसौटी होनी चाहिए, हम अपने आप को कसते रहें, अपने आप को सजते रहें, ये हमारी कोशिश होनी चाहिए। लेकिन हमें इस तनाव से मुक्ति का मन में संकल्प कर लेना चाहिए। जो भी आएगा, मैं जिंदगी को जीने का तरीका जानता हूं, मैं इससे भी निपट लूंगा।
The state BJP has retracted from the earlier statement of a likely pullout from the NPP-led MDA coalition. BJP Meghalaya in charge M. Chuba Aur reasoned that if the BJP pulls out from the coalition, the blame will go to them and they don't want that. On having an post-poll alliance with the NPP, he said in politics everything is possible. The BJP in charge also rubbished allegation of the BJP engaging in horse trading. It may be mentioned that Aur had earlier threatened to pull out of the NPP-led MDA government following the suggestion of his party members.
Alliance, if pull out, then government will fall. The blame will come to us. So we don't want the blame should come us. Let us complete their terms with peacefully and corrected form.
BJP State President Ernest Maury on Friday informed that the party will release its candidates within February 2nd. Talking to reporters after the State Election Committee meeting, Maury said that they have already prepared the list and it will be immediately sent to Delhi. According to him, the Central Parliamentary Committee will meet on January 31st to take a final call of the party candidates for upcoming assembly polls. The BJP state president said that they will urge the party's central leadership to release the names of the party candidates at the earliest.
So we have prepared the list today. We are going to send to Delhi immediately, and within the 2nd of February, we are going to declare the ticket. So we will send all the names to Delhi, and the Central Parliamentary Board Committee, they will decide the final name of the candidate.
BJP State President Ernest Maury on Friday revealed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be among the 20 star campaigners of the party for the upcoming assembly polls in the state. Talking to reporters, Maury said that the Prime Minister will be addressing the election rally of the party in Shillong, Jowai and Tura. adding that the Prime Minister is scheduled to visit the state after February 10th. He also informed that the other party leaders who will be campaigning for the party during the election in the state include Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, among others.
We are discussing about the tour program of the National Star Campaigner. Even the Honorable Prime Minister is going to tour. Date is not fixed, but just after 10, maybe 11 or 12, he'll be visiting three main part of the state, like Jaintia, Khasi and Garo. Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh, Smriti Irani, this are what we call Nitin Gadkari, Om Birla, all will come. So we have almost 20 star campaigner.
Song, music, dance and fanfare marked the concluding celebration of the Umtung village in Ribhoi district. In the closing ceremony, the village felicitated the youth who had successfully passed in the SSLC, HSSLC and other degree to encourage them to excel further. Earlier, the opening ceremony of the Golden Jubilee celebration was held on 15 August 2022. The Sabah Muswang Sports Club won the Republic Day Cup Under-13 Football League tournament in a tiebreaker 2-1 against the Demtring Sports Club, which was held at Kiang Nangba Stadium in West Jaintia Hills District, organized by the West Jaintia District Sports Association in collaboration with the district administration. The match ended in a draw, which was followed by extra time and a tiebreaker. The Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills, B.S. Solia, was the chief guest on the occasion.
Sabah Muslim Sports Association और एकदम कभी की टीम बन जाओ और कोई की टीम जैसे कब सच में खबर से जाओ कब की लंजम थी बुलाती आई पी एस सी सी ने पर हो गई ना हुए आज की जगह का है लोग कोई ना बिगुन को शुक्र शुक्रिया रेफरी लोग से गिरो का से गिरा का वो बिगुन itu lihat bilang tidak ada dunia ini Usually related to Asia, Sukunak, Sabah.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 19.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 7.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 69%, while in the evening it was 84%. Forecast: dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is most likely to occur. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with students, teachers and parents during the 6th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha program. Meghalaya BJP retracts from its earlier statement of a likely pullout from the NPP-led MDA coalition. Meghalaya BJP to announce its candidates list by February 2nd. List is ready to be sent to Delhi for approval. And Prime Minister Modi to address election rally in Meghalaya, scheduled to visit the state after February 10th. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, good night.